Hi my people, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious soy milk that has the most exquisite taste. It does not smell like beans, it smells super good. So here are the 5 basic rules to follow before getting to the part of grinding. One is when you buy your soybeans, make sure you pick out all the stones and dirt before washing. Wash and soak your soybean. 2. Make sure you soak your soybean for at least 5 hours. The best part is to soak it overnight. It helps the soy milk, the soybeans bring out all the debris, bring out all the slimy stuff. 3. Before you get to the part of grinding, make sure you wash your soybeans until the water becomes clear and it's not slimy anymore. 4. Make sure you grind your soybeans smooth. You want it super smooth. This helps the outcome of the milk. It helps the milk the soy milk bringing out more produce. 5. Make sure to use clean water while blending your soy milk to avoid any kind of contamination. These are the 5 ground rules before making your soybean milk. To separate the soy milk from the soya bean chaff, you can make use of nut bag like I did in this video, or you can make use of Muslim scarf, you can make use of chiffon scarf, you can make use of sieve, this sieve that has tiny little nets or little holes is perfect as well. After separating the soy milk from the soybean chaff, if you feel like the chaff still have little milk left in it, you can add water and try extracting more from the soybean chaff. To prevent your soy milk from going bad, there are 5 ways to make sure of that. These 5 ways helps your soy milk to last long and to not go bad. 1. Make sure to boil your soy milk for at least 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low heat. 2. Make sure to refrigerate your soy milk after packaging. 3. Make sure the container in which you will put your soy milk is sealed and airtight. 4. Make sure the refrigerator where you put your soy milk has stable temperature. 5. Make sure the container which you put your soy milk is clean. With all this, your soy milk is going to last for a long time and it will not go bad. We all know that soy milk is full of nutrition. Please Google it, okay? And make sure you are not allergic before taking it. Soy milk is so good. Please try making yours today. Make sure you listen to the video and get all the ground rules. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you've not subscribed up till now, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to join the family, okay? I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take care and God bless. Bye.